Well, I ran into a couple of problems trying to mount this, but I decided to mount it straight onto the lower chute here. And here's a handheld blower vac, as you can see, with a piece of ductwork reducing it, or actually enlarging it a little bit. Now, the reason I was going to mount it here, like this, but as you can see, it's not lining up properly. And I'd have to have a piece of flex conduit snaking, which would cause a choke point. So I thought to myself, either we can lower it, but you're still going to have a slight bend here with some flex conduit, or Dick Willie one here, like that. And voila. So then the hose coming from here going into here will be just a piece of flex conduit for example purposes. Gonna fit over this like this, and it's gonna go straight into there like that. So that way my leaves will be mulched once on the main deck, and then again here, so that by the time it gets to here, it's basically confetti. So, show you how this runs. I've already primed it and everything. So I think that's going to work pretty good. I just got to find a way now to lock this onto this so that it doesn't turn or come off, and this should be ready to go. So been thinking about this for a while. I've seen other guys who bought actual leaf vac attachments and things for several $100s. This has been laying in my garage for a couple of years, just not doing anything. So I figured, why not? It mulches leaves really good. The only problem with it is that it stops up fairly quickly. So if the deck is pre-mulching the leaves before it sends it here, it shouldn't have any clogging problems. And it should work pretty good with grass too. So fewer bags of grass and things. So let me find a way to latch this on here. May have to go to the hardware store and get what I really want. But I'll show you the results.